The world we live in today has been changing constantly. It's the result of those few explorers who ventured out in the search of truth, in the search of culture beyond their own. Because they were the ones who traveled to places about which very little was known in order to discover what is there. Just that mere thought has been the driving force for me all my life. Last season of Riding Happiness with Binny, we explored the beautiful forest and jungle life of the Dangs in South Gujarat. And this season, we are in the western coastal region, where we are going to explore and celebrate the longest mainland coastline in India. Hi, this is Binny Sharma, a singer, performer, and an avid biker from Ahmedabad. And welcome to Riding Happiness with Binny, Season 2. So when I was planning this coastal ride, I knew I had to start it at Bet Dwarka. Why Bet Dwarka? Because ये कान्हा जी द्वारकाधीश का घर माना जाता है. And when I was researching about the places, I came across this campsite. Sun, sand, sea, my kind of vibe. बेट द्वारका एक्चुअली में देवभूमि है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी देखी नहीं जाती. उसमें से एक मंदिर हम लोग आज कवर करेंगे, समथिंग दैट इज़ रियली रियली स्पेशल एंड जिसके बारे में हमारे पुराणों में भी कहा गया. अकॉर्डिंग टू द फोकलोर, जब अहिरावण राम और लक्ष्मण को बंदी बना के पाताल लोक लेके गया था, Hanuman Dandi is exactly where Hanuman fought Makardhwaj, his own son, who was guarding the entrance of Patal Lok, and that too with just a stick. And the reason? Hanuman Dandi. When they returned and when Hanuman told Lord Ram the whole story, he was so impressed that he declared Makardhwaj as the king of Patal Lok, as then King Ahiravan was killed. हनुमान डांडी एक लौती जगह है जहाँ पे हनुमान और मकरध्वज की पूजा एक साथ की जाती है और माना जाता है कि जो मूर्तियाँ भी हैं वो रामावतार समय की मूर्तियाँ हैं.
So, why Bet Dwarka? This was the reason. Consider Dwarka Mandir as his administrative office and Bet Dwarka is his home. This is where he stays. Unfortunately, we can't bring the phone or the camera inside, so I'll have to keep the phone and the camera here. But all set to go for the darshan now. A beautiful experience. अपनी रानियों के बीच में कान्हा का अपना मंदिर. It's a beautiful experience. Don't miss this. Bet Dwarka is where I'm going to start my ride from. So this is the jetty point at Bet Dwarka. यहाँ से we'll be taking a jetty to Okha. But the most amazing part is to see all of these jetties right here, and you see a lot of people doing a lot of different work. If you have to get anything to Bet Dwarka, आपको jetty के through लाना पड़ता है because it is an island. I always say this, a good conversation with locals will help you go leaps and bounds. I just got a complete boat to myself. Now off to the other side, which is Okha, pick up my bike and start the ride. So, I wanted to start my ride from this place. The most talked about place in recent times, especially for Gujarat Coastal. And here we are in Shivrajpur. Every single one has talked about Shivrajpur and how beautiful it is, how clean the beach is, how crystal clear the water is. But I am here for something completely different, something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and something I'm super excited about. Shivrajpur it is. I've always wanted to do this. I've traveled a lot, but now it is finally happening here in Gujarat. How beautiful is that? We often talk about the beauty that we can see. The mountains, sunsets, snow, even beaches. But hardly do we talk about the beauty underwater. If you take a leap of faith, let go of your fears, and surrender yourself to Mother Nature, trust me, you will come out as a completely different person. Craziest feeling, the feeling that you get when you go inside. This marine life itself is so unexplored. Get some time out from your life and come see the marine life. It's just beautiful. This experience in Shivrajpur was nothing but magical for me.